Imagine waking up in 2030 with a job that doesn't exist yet. I know, it sounds crazy, but hear me out. We're living in a time where technology's advancing at an unprecedented rate, and it's changing the way we work. I'm curious, have you ever thought about what your job will look like in 10 years? It's a question I've been asking myself a lot lately, and I've been doing some digging to find out what the future of work might hold. We're already seeing the impact of AI automation on our daily lives, from chatbots to self-driving cars, and it's only going to increase. As I've been researching, I've come across some surprising stats, like the fact that up to 80% of future jobs haven't been invented yet, which is mind-blowing. That means we can't even imagine what we'll be doing in a decade, and it's both exciting and terrifying. It's like trying to predict what the internet would be like in the 90s, we just didn't have the context. And that's what makes this topic so fascinating, the unknown. But what we do know is that remote work is on the rise, and it's changing the way we collaborate and communicate. It's like the difference between sending a letter and sending a text, it's a whole new ballgame. We're no longer limited by location, and that's opening up opportunities for people all over the world. And as technology advances, we'll see even more innovative ways of working together. As I've been learning more about this, I've been thinking about my own job. Will I be replaced by a robot? It's a scary thought, but it's also a chance to upskill and reskill. We need to be adaptable and open to change, just like a surfer riding a wave. If you're not moving, you're sinking. And that's where the concept of lifelong learning comes in. It's no longer just about getting a degree and being set for life. Now, let's talk about AI automation. It's not just about replacing human jobs, but also about augmenting them. It's like having a superpower. Imagine being able to process information and data at an incredible speed. We'll be able to focus on the creative and high-level thinking, while AI handles the grunt work. And that's where the future jobs will come in, jobs that we can't even imagine yet, like virtual reality experience designers or AI ethicists. As we're navigating this new landscape, we need to think about the skills that will be in demand, skills like problem-solving, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence. It's like building a house, you need a strong foundation to support the structure. And that's where education and training come in. We need to be preparing people for a world that's constantly changing. And it's not just about the technical skills, it's also about the human skills, like communication and empathy. As I've been exploring this topic, I've been reflecting on my own experiences. I've been working remotely for years, and it's been a game changer for me. But it's not without its challenges, like staying motivated and connected with colleagues. And that's where technology comes in. It's enabling us to work from anywhere, at any time, as long as we have a stable internet connection. And it's changing the way we think about work-life balance. It's no longer just about clocking in and out, but about being able to live a life that's meaningful and fulfilling. As we're looking to the future, I'm reminded of the concept of Moore's Law, the idea that computing power doubles every 2 years. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill, gaining speed and size as it goes. And that's what's happening with technology. It's advancing at an exponential rate, and it's changing everything. And we're just starting to see the impact. From virtual reality to blockchain, it's a whole new world. As we're standing at the threshold of this new decade, I'm wondering, what will the future of work look like in 2030? Will we be working alongside robots, or will we be replaced by them? It's a question that's on everyone's mind, and it's one that we need to be thinking about. And as we're navigating this uncertain landscape, I'm reminded of the importance of being adaptable and open to change. It's like the difference between a rigid tree branch and a flexible one. The flexible one will bend, but it won't break. As I've been learning more about this topic, I've come across some amazing stories, like the one about a woman who taught herself to code and started her own business. It's like the story of David and Goliath, the underdog who rises to the challenge. And that's what's so inspiring about this topic. It's about the potential for people to create their own opportunities and forge their own paths. And it's not just about the tech industry, it's about all industries, and how they'll be impacted by technology. As we're looking to the future, I'm thinking about the potential for technology to solve some of humanity's biggest challenges, like climate change and inequality. It's like having a superpower, the ability to make a real difference in the world. And that's what's so exciting about this topic. It's not just about the future of work, but about the future of humanity. And it's a future that we can shape and create, if we're willing to take the leap. But as we're taking this leap, we need to think about the potential risks and challenges, like job displacement and social isolation. It's like the story of the tortoise and the hare. The tortoise may be slow, but he's steady and consistent. And that's what we need to be, steady and consistent, as we're navigating this uncertain landscape. And it's not just about individual actions, it's about collective action, and how we can work together to create a better future. As I've been reflecting on this topic, I've come to realize that it's not just about the future of work, it's about the future of humanity. It's like the difference between a small boat and a big ship. The small boat may be agile, but the big ship has the power to carry us all. And that's what we need to be thinking about, how we can work together to create a future that's good for everyone. And it's a future that's full of possibilities and promise, if we're willing to take the leap. As we're standing at the threshold of this new decade, I'm wondering, what will you be doing in 2030, and how will you be preparing for the future of work? It's a question that I'd love to hear your thoughts on, and it's one that I'll be exploring more in future videos. And if you're as curious as I am about the future of work, and you want to stay up to date on the latest trends and technologies, then be sure to subscribe to my channel, where I'll be sharing more insights and stories about the exciting and uncertain world of AI, automation, and the future of work.